Good morning everyone. This is Pavani. Today I would like to take degrees of comparison. In my previous class I told you only two models. In this session I would like to complete all the degrees. So let us see degrees of comparison. Okay. So how many models we have in degrees of comparison? 5 models I told you, right? So in that 5 models already I have completed model 1 and model 2. Today let us see model 3, 4 and 5. After that once again I will explain model 1 and model 2. Otherwise let us go with model 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So how to identify model 1 sentence I told you. First you need to identify what is the adjective in the given sentence. Okay. So now first for example in the given sentence intelligent is the adjective. Okay. This is the adjective. So next second case what you have to identify whether it is in positive degree, comparative degree or superlative degree. Positive degree, great is adjective, greater is adjective, greatest is also adjective. But here let us see it is in which degree now. So now here I have given most intelligent boy. Ravi is the most intelligent boy in the class. Here the word most intelligent comes under which degree? Superlative degree. Which degree? Superlative degree. Before the superlative degree, when we have article the, okay, when we have article the, we understand it as model 1. Okay, this is the clue how to identify that this sentence belongs to model 1. Before the adjective, when you see article the, this is model 1. Okay. Then when it is the plus adjective, how it changes into comparative degree. Okay. So same, you have to take the same name Ravi. Ravi is most changes to more intelligent. Okay. So here when it is the plus adjective in comparative, it becomes than any other. When it is the plus adjective in comparative, it becomes than any other boy in the class. So Ravi is more intelligent than any other boy in the class. Okay. So for every sentence there is a clue. So here before the adjective, to identify that it belongs to model 1, we have the article. When it is the plus adjective in comparative, it changes as than any other. This is the clue word. For example, this sentence is not given. Second sentence is given, that is comparative degree. Ravi is more intelligent than any other boy in the class. When you see than any other, immediately it should strike in your mind that this sentence is comparative degree of model 1. Okay. So that is the clue word, than any other. Then positive degree starts with no other. Positive degree starts with what? No other. No other boy in the class is as intelligent as Ravi. No other boy in the class is as intelligent as Ravi. See here, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. So positive becomes what? Intelligent. Okay. So no other is the like what? We have to begin with no other. This is the clue word for this sentence, positive degree. So as. Okay, it ends with what? As. It ends with as. Okay. Now if you see second sentence, how to identify model 2. See here, same sentence I have taken. Ravi is one of the most intelligent boys in the class. So what is the difference you have noticed here? So here before the adjective we got the word the. Here before the adjective what we got? One of the. What we got here? One of the. So by seeing this one of the, you have to identify that this sentence belongs to model 2. Okay. So Ravi is one of the most intelligent boys in the class. Same sentence I have taken here. But you need to observe the sentence very carefully. Okay. Before the adjective when we get the, then it is model 1. Before the adjective when we get one of the, when we see one of the, we have to understand it as model 2. When it is one of the plus adjective, comparative becomes what? Than many other or than most other. When it is one of the, comparative becomes than most other or than many other. Same as usual I told you, same name comes in the comparative degree. Whatever name we are using, same name we have to use. So Ravi is more intelligent than many other boys in the class. Okay. Many other. Here any other. When you get the plus adjective, than any other. When you get one of the plus adjective, than many other. That difference you have to notice. Okay. Here positive degree starts with, in type 2 positive, model 2 positive degree starts with what? Very few. Here in type 1 or model 1, positive degree starts with what? No other. Here it starts with what? Very few. So very few boys in the class are as intelligent as Ravi or so intelligent as Ravi. Either you can use as or so, both are right. Okay. So positive degree starts with what here? Very few or few other. Very few or few other. That you have to remember. Okay. In type 1, positive degree starts with no other. Just you have to mug up. You have to remember this. Okay, positive degree in type 1, it starts with no other. In type 2, positive degree starts with very few. Why? Because this you can remember, maybe this you will forget. Okay. When it is one of the, comparative becomes than many other. When it is the plus adjective than any other, this you can remember. But whereas positive degrees you may forget. That's what I am telling you. You need to mug up. Okay. So very few or few other it starts. So few other boys or very few boys in the class are as intelligent as Ravi. Again, intelligent is what? Positive degree. Okay. So have you seen the difference here? Now let us go to the third one. Ravi is not the most intelligent boy in the class. Now see the difference here. The plus adjective, one of the plus adjective. So before this adjective, what you got? Not plus the. What you got? Not plus the. So Ravi is not the most intelligent boy in the class. So by seeing the sentence itself, we can understand that this sentence is in negative sense. Okay. This sentence is in negative sense. So once when we see negative sense, we have to, easily we can remember. We have to remember that this is model 3. Okay. So when it gives the negative sense, it is model 3. Okay. So Ravi is not the most intelligent boy in the class. The plus adjective, one of the plus adjective, not plus the plus adjective. Okay. So now when it is negative sense, the comparative becomes what? So Ravi is, again not negative, no. So not, most changes to what? More. Not more intelligent than some other boys. Okay, what is the clue word for this? How to identify that comparative is of type 3? How to identify? For example, in superlative degree is not given. This sentence is given. Ravi is not more intelligent than some other boys in the class. Identify it is in which type. Okay, if it is given, how will you identify? By seeing than some other, immediately you have to understand it as it belongs to model 3. Why? Because here any other, many other, some other. Okay. Then now, whereas positive, how it starts? Some other boys in the class are at least as intelligent as Ravi. So some other. We have to start positive degree with what? Some other. Some other boys. Whereas in positive degree, you are using what? You are using in type 1 no other, in type 2 very few, and in type 3 some other. At last you will get the name of the person. That you need to remember. You should not get any confusion here. Whereas comparative degree, same name what you have used on top directly, same you will get. But whereas positive degree, you will use no other for type 1, for type 2 very few, and for type 3 some other. So name comes here at the end. Okay. So some other boys in the class are at least. So what you have to use here? At least. When it is giving negative meaning, when we have to make positive, so you have to use the word at least here. So some other boys in the class are at least as intelligent as Ravi. That you have to remember. When it is giving negative sense, the positive becomes positive. Okay. So some other boys in the class are at least as intelligent as Ravi. Okay. I hope 3 you have understood. Why? Because same sentence, to show the difference I have given you. Okay. When it is the plus adjective, comparative becomes than any other. And positive degree starts with no other. That is type 1. How to identify type 1? Before the adjective the. Okay. And how to remember that type 1 positive degree, it starts with no other. Comparative degree than any other. So for everything there is a clue. Okay. Then type 2, before the adjective, when you see one of the, you have to identify that this sentence is type 2 superlative degree. So when it is like this, comparative becomes what? Than many other. What comparative becomes? Than many other. Positive degree starts with what? Very few or few other. Okay. Then model 3. Okay. Model 3, you will have negative sense. It gives the negative sense. So Ravi is not the most. When you see not, means what you have to understand? It is type 3. Okay. Then Ravi is not more intelligent. How to identify that? It is comparative sentence of type 3 than some other. Any other, many other, some other. Very easy. Okay. Then positive degree starts with what? Some other. Okay. Here what we have used? Some other. So same some other we have to use here. some other boys in the class are at least as intelligent as Ravi. So these three we have completed. Let us go to the remaining two. So in these two, type 4 and type 5, we don't have superlative degree. Type 4 and type 5. Type 4, type 5, we don't have superlative degree. Only two degrees. What are they? Comparative and positive. If positive sentence is given and ask you to write comparative, you have to write comparative. If comparative is given, you have to write positive. Okay. So now let us see. Sheila is shorter than Ramya. A comparison takes place between two persons, two places and two things here. So, Sheila is shorter than Ramya. I have taken two girls. Who are they? Sheila and Ramya. So, Sheila is shorter, I said. By seeing the word, see here, comparative degree ends with what? R, E, R or I, E, R. It ends with R, E, R, I, E, R. Okay. So, by seeing this, we can understand that this sentence is comparative degree. Here, you don't have what? Superlative degree. Okay. So, now, this sentence is in positive statement. Okay. It is giving what? Positive statement. Okay. It is giving positive statement. So, in positive, we have to make negative. Positive degree, we have to make negative. So, like what? Many of you commit mistake here. What is that? Sheila is shorter than Ramya. You will use the structure not so as, but you will forget to change the names. The first name goes last, last name comes first here. Okay, last name comes first. So now here Ramya, we have to take what? Ramya. Ramya is, what is the structure? Not so short as Sheila. So Sheila is shorter than Ramya is given. That is positive statement in comparative degree. We have to make it negative statement in positive degree. Okay. So Ramya, you have to get the last name first and first name last. Ramya is not so short as Sheila. Okay. So you should not forget to change the names. You are using the structure not so as, but if you forget to change the names, that statement is wrong. Okay. So now in type 4, you don't have superlative degree. Now let us see type 5. Here also you don't have superlative degree. But the slight difference you have to notice here. What is that slight difference? Now see here. Sheila is shorter than I have given. Here, Sheila is not shorter than. Same sentence I have taken. Here, I gave the negative statement. What I have given? Negative statement. Here in type 4, I gave comparative degree as positive statement. In type 5, I have given negative statement. Okay. So, now, Sheila is not shorter than Ramya. Then that negative statement you have to make it as positive. That you need to understand. You have to give, you have to see the given statement. So how to identify then this type 4 or type 5? See children, if at all, if you get, okay, if you get positive statement in type 4, then you have to understand comparative degree positive statement means that is type 4. Comparative degree negative statement means that is type 5. That is the clue. Okay, comparative degree positive statement is type 4. Comparative degree negative statement is type 5. Okay. So now Sheila is not shorter than Ramya. Again you have to change the names. Ramya is at least. So just now in type 3 you have used, now to make it positive, what we have used? At least. We have used what? At least. So now Ramya is at least as short as. So what is the structure here? At least as. It ends with at least as. So these are the degrees of comparison. 5 models we have learnt. Okay, have you all understood? So once again see, type 4 and type 5 you don't have superlative degrees, only comparative and positive. How to identify type 4? In type 4, comparative degree, if it is in positive statement, okay, you have to understand it as type 4. In type 5, how to identify type 5? If the comparative degree is in negative statement, then it is type 5. If it is given negative, you have to make it as positive. If it is given positive, you have to make it as negative. That's it. Is it clear? You need to change the names. Okay. So I hope everyone have understood today's session very clearly. I think so. Okay. Thank you one and all. In the next class again I will meet you. Thank you.